Well, I'm Tapina Kaseke, and I'm one of the lecturers for biology at Sussex College. I mean, I've always been interested in science, to be honest, and it's just like the challenge of knowing how things work and how you piece our environment and how, especially for human beings, how we all fit into such a diverse environment, kind of thing. So that interested me from quite an early age, and it's just stayed with me. I mean, students are really, they take on board what you're teaching them. You almost feel like you're doing something that's very rewarding, you're helping people, and the staff as well, amazing. And Sophie is one of the best people I've ever worked with. And even management, they always look after you, and it's been really, so I'm still new to this, so it's been really great. British Science Week is the time when we highlight science, and it's a really efficient way to highlight how the benefits of actually studying science, and especially for young people who tend to think that science is just about mixing chemicals, but there's more to it. Especially understanding how our environment works and how diverse it is, and there's loads of species we still don't know about up to now, but when you start knowing about it, you actually see the link between us and the species and how we all make a difference to science, really, and research. I think for me, because I've always been interested in science, but like the health science side of things, so things like dissections. When you look at how the heart works and performs, and lungs, and we do that quite a lot here, and it's actually quite good to see how we actually function as human beings and what things we need to be thinking about. So that is very interesting for me. So I think that's the best thing that I've ever come across in science, really. So it's kept me going as well.